Oh, don't hold me here. Don't hold me. Don't hold anything green or red. Delivery 2105. 2105. What did we have? A girl or a boy?
A girl.
A girl. Okay. Very good. Where's the green gas?
Oh.
Like 10 more minutes. Your band number?
Where's the pediatrician?
Marcella.
Where's Tom?
Good job. Oh my gosh. Awesome. Baby wouldn't have been able to do it without
Here, you can see it here, guys.
Okay, Papa. Here. Your baby band number is 42.
Oh. Can you see it over here?
You can see?
Okay.
42002.
42002. I'm gonna take a picture of it.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm gonna take a